Cash Giraffe isn't available to every user, and meeting the app's age requirement is one of the first eligibility checks before you can earn rewards. By the end of this video, you'll know who can use Cash Giraffe, why the age requirement matters, and how to avoid account problems later. The first thing to understand is that Cash Giraffe has a minimum age requirement listed in its account policies and terms of use. If you don't meet that requirement, you shouldn't create an account or enter inaccurate personal information during registration. Using incorrect details can lead to account restrictions or verification issues if the app needs to confirm your eligibility. Your age also affects reward redemption. Even if you're able to install the app, you still need to meet the platform's eligibility requirements before redeeming rewards. If the information on your account doesn't match your actual details, you could run into problems when verifying your account or claiming rewards. Age is only one part of eligibility. Cash Giraffe is also available only in supported regions, and the games and reward offers you see may differ depending on your country, device, and account. Two users of the same age can have completely different game libraries because the available offers aren't identical for everyone. If you're helping a younger family member find mobile games, it's better to choose games that don't require creating a rewards account if they don't meet the eligibility rules. Trying to work around the requirements can create account issues that are much harder to resolve later. Before signing up, review the latest eligibility information inside the app, and read the current terms if you have any questions. Policies can change over time, so it's always better to rely on the information provided during registration than an old video, screenshot, or forum post. If you already have a Cash Giraffe account and need to correct your account information, contact Cash Giraffe support instead of creating a second account. Keeping one accurate account helps prevent verification problems and ensures your rewards stay connected to the correct profile. The key takeaway is simple. Meeting Cash Giraffe's age requirement is part of using the app correctly, and providing accurate account information helps avoid issues with verification and reward redemption. Check the current eligibility rules before creating your account. Make sure your information is correct from the start, and follow the official requirements instead of looking for shortcuts. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe tips, app guides, and troubleshooting videos.